Welcome back to my channel Bloom by Nisha. Today I am showing you how to pamper yourself with a DIY facial at home. Let's get started. Cleanse. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt. This prepares your skin for facial treatment. Next, steam for about 5 to 10 minutes to open up your pores. Time to exfoliate. Use a homemade scrub to slough away dead skin cells and reveal smoother skin. Gently massage in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse off. Step 4. Mask. Apply a facial mask suitable for your skin type. I make my own with ingredients like multani mitti, honey and water. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes to let it work its magic. Next, facial massage. Irons out fine lines and wrinkles. Stimulates blood circulation for a healthy complexion. Removes toxin from your skin to reduce impurities and blemishes. After facial massage, apply a moisturizer to lock in hydration. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type, whether it's oily, dry or sensitive. And there you have it, a refreshing DIY facial at home. Treat yourself to this pampering session once in a week for glowing skin. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.